Unlock the life-changing benefits of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. In the bustling world of wellness trends, one golden elixir has stood the test of time: apple cider vinegar. Its roots stretch back to ancient civilizations, a testament to its enduring vitality. Often hailed as a natural detoxifier, apple cider vinegar has the power to rejuvenate the body. Its acidic base is believed to stimulate the liver, flushing toxins and paving the way for optimal health. But its benefits don't halt at detoxification. This humble vinegar is also a warrior in weight management. Incorporating it into your daily routine can aid in controlling appetite, encouraging a journey towards a healthier self. Beyond internal health, apple cider vinegar doubles as a skincare miracle. Its antibacterial properties are perfect for battling blemishes, leaving the skin clear and radiant. A true testament to nature's versatility. Furthermore, its anti-glycemic properties have made it a beacon of hope for those managing diabetes. Studies suggest that it can help lower blood sugar levels when consumed before meals, a simple step with profound impact. For the fitness enthusiasts, this vinegar is a boon for muscle recovery. The potassium and amino acids present help alleviate muscle fatigue, making it a favorite post-workout tonic. It also extends its magical touch to hair care, enhancing shine and reducing dandruff. Its natural acidity balances the scalp's pH, promoting healthy hair growth and a lustrous sheen. In the realm of heart health, apple cider vinegar shows promising signs. It's believed to lower cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthy cardiovascular system. A daily dose could be the key to a stronger heart. Its versatility shines in the kitchen too, acting as a flavor enhancer in various dishes. Its tangy taste can elevate salads, marinades, and even beverages, making healthy eating an exciting adventure. As a natural remedy for sore throats, its antibacterial properties come to the rescue once again. Gargling with diluted apple cider vinegar can soothe the throat, offering relief when you need it most. Despite its myriad benefits, it's crucial to approach apple cider vinegar with moderation. Its acidity can be harsh on the enamel of teeth and the lining of the stomach if consumed in excess. Embracing apple cider vinegar in your daily life can be a transformative journey towards wellness. Its ancient wisdom, combined with modern science, offers a natural path to achieving balance and vibrant health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.